push and yan. That is the basic. Or, pwede man right hand. So, one, right hand, grab the slide and push it downward. Or I can use my left hand, go, this is the basic, push it away, grab the slide and disarm. And then next, so the major techniques is like this. Nan. Sa matter of speed nan. Yeah. And then if you have the pistol also, if you have the pistol now, there is also a martial arts for that to go short. Ayan. Ayan sa kapalapit. It's like you are squeezing his face like that. Same with from behind, draw. So from behind, same procedure, turn. Yan, one. You grab the slide and disarm. Same with turning on the other side. Hold from here. Grab the turning on the other side, one. And disarm. Any question?
Nada.
So basic lang siya. The discrepancy here is really speed. Pero, kaya na telling ito mga kung may baril akong programa ba, kung hindi makalulo. Nakatuloy. Okay, thank you.